FlatBroke Garage. Welcome, YouTube people. Just want to do a short video of kind of what I've been doing. I haven't been posting a ton of what's going on in my shop just because I forget to turn the cameras on. I get digging on something and really get moving, and you know, it's just film it, content, they tell me. So I don't know. It's just I want to get this done. So basically why I started this channel was so my dad, hi Dad, can watch me finish my Torino, which kind of got pushed back. And I know, you know, it's a bunch of my buddies say, just get it done, get it done. This is time consuming, guys. I mean, I'm not a body man by trade, never have been. Not a mechanic by trade, never claimed to be. Just right there. But, you know, you watch YouTube videos, and I messed around with this a little bit in my youth. But it's time consuming. So let me bring you in and show you what I've been doing. If you guys haven't seen before, this is my 1971 Torino GT Fastback. I had one. Economy went bad. Had to sell it. Made me sad. Found this car. Somebody gave up on it. And it's just, you know, tons of stuff. They had everything boxed and tagged. And basically it was a shell. So I've been working on it. I got my floors in it, and you know, if you guys, there's a link to the videos putting the floors in, dynamatted, and we're priming and sanding. I had a guy helping me out, but you know, other things came up, and you know, yeah, you got to take care of yourself. So I'm on my own. So we've been blocking down the shell of the car. And we're going to have to reshoot it and block it again. All the other parts were off. This is my hood. I picked up from somebody else, but this hood's really nice. I had this media blasted. It had like 6 coats of paint on it, you know, because it was striped. So it was like primer, red, black, whatever. Lots of paint. So that media blasted, I got that primed. Fender, the Fenders with the car were okay, but these were more better. So I found these Fenders, and I've been a little low spot here. Stripping these down, got these sanded. I'm kind of test fitting them. I had a tweak down here, so I got it hanging on there just to see if it fits. And this is where the time comes in, guys. All this little, you know, you got to get all this. So you got to hand sand all this stuff out of here. And the problem with having a project car moving it around is these doors that were on the car, they were nice. And I actually come to check on them. They were primed. And sadly, the doors looks like they've been sitting in a Walmart parking lot for 2 years. I mean, just bam, 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 bam. And it just comes from moving it around, you know? I mean, you lean stuff on it. And so basically, I've been priming it. I primed it again, and I bonded it. And you can see we're still working on the highs and lows. You see, I missed this whole low here. There's another low here that appeared. It's not bad. You kind of run your hand over it slowly, and you can feel the highs and lows. Here's a big low. So basically what I've been doing with my Fender is up underneath here, where there's no splash seal, it's just surface rust. And I kind of knocked it down, so it's kind of smooth. But I'm hitting it with this rust fix from Duplicolor. It's supposed to be a rust converter. So everywhere it hits, it kind of turns it black, and you can see there, it converts it. Well, here, let's try it. This is just a rusty, this is like a header panel underneath. I should have just taken this off. I got to take it off anyways, but easier to paint or coat. So I guess we'll come back and see if it turns black. I don't know. You know, they said it does. We'll watch it. Okay, well it did what it said. It turned the existing rust black. So it's converted. But yeah, very cool. All right, I'll have to just keep touching up with that stuff, you know. Paint's expensive, so if I can just, you know, get this primered and lightly painted and take care of that rust, it just, I don't know. Maybe it's an extra step, but seems to work. Same here. So basically that's what I've been up to. I just kind of want to throw a quick thing up there. Ooh, there's rust there too. I just wanted to throw this up here, show you guys what's going on in the shop. I have not lost interest in the Torino. It's just boring, time-consuming work, and it's going to be a rainy week, so I really hope to get going on this thing. Like I said, you can see other videos on this Torino a little further down. They were some of my earlier ones, you know. I'm going to get going on this. I'm also, with my Cyclone here, we got the seat broke out of the floor, so we had some issues there. I have a video coming up on this. I'm dynamatting this, cutting the windshield out, new windshield, sound system, speakers. So I know it shouldn't be a shelf, but you know, it's what I got. I got a mess, you know. So, but yeah. So there you go. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like it, please subscribe. I really appreciate it, and I can use the subscribers. And thank you. We'll see you later, man. Bye.